How to enable likes on YouTube app? For that, open YouTube and make sure to sign into your YouTube account. Now tap on profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now select your videos option and you have to select any video that you want to enable likes of. Now tap on three dots and now you need to select edit advanced settings in Studio. Make sure you have YouTube Studio or you can also open it from your browser. Now tap on more options. Here you need to make sure you have tick mark the show how many viewers like this video option. If it isn't, then you have to select the small box, and this is how we enable likes on YouTube app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button and subscribe if you are new to our channel. Thank you for watching.